Okay, so we are going to make soap today with our soap making kit. In the comment section, I am going to put a link of the soap making kit that we used, but you can use any soap making kit or you can just buy all the individual pieces.
Mike, can I do it now?
But this is our kit that we bought off. Ours was from Target.
Can I see?
But this kit is also from Amazon that you can buy.
Can I see?
Alright, so here is what you do. Everything comes in the kit. We have used our kit a few times very successfully, so that's why we're making this video, because we have so much fun doing it. So what I like the most about this is that a lot of kids can probably do this on their own. Ava cannot do it on her own, but she can help me. So we're going to put a block of soap in here, in the little, in here, and then we put it in this little microwave safe tray, and it goes in the microwave. So as long as your child knows how to use the microwave, you guys can do this on your own, and it goes only for 10 seconds.
Yes, if it goes for 10 minutes. Hey, Mommy, go for 10 minutes.
And of course, this is Ava, my little assistant.
Hi.
So since it's only 10 seconds, it's not even very hot, so pretty safe for kids. If you put your finger in it, it would be a little hot, would be the only thing.
Here.
Ava already knows what comes next. So the fragrance, we do 5 to 10 drops. This kit came with 2 different kinds. It came with tropical or jasmine. So
jasmine.
Ava wants jasmine. We do 5 to 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 6, 7. Let's do 7 drops.
Now let's do it. Now we'll mix it up.
We can, yep, now you can mix it up if you want, but we also have to add the color. Oh, do it slow. Slow. Now let go. Can you put it in here? Ava, do you want pink or blue?
Blue.
All right, we had to stop for a minute because I had to take the lid off. Ava is mixing. We added a few drops of blue and she mixed in the blue. So it's all mixed. I'm just going to give it one final mix. It's also not very messy because it's soap, so everything comes out really well.
Yeah.
And then...
And here's a thing.
Here's a thing, the little soap holder.
Little soap holder.
Now it comes with lots of different molds. What this does is it's only going to make 2 soaps at a time because it's little. If you want to make more soap, you have to add more. I believe it's glycerin is what it is. So
and here's a glop of ice.
A glop of soap.
Glop of soap.
It's all right, Ava. All right, which molds do you want, Ava?
Food. You're gonna think it's food. What's that?
All right, Ava, which molds do you want?
I want this and this one.
What about we do a different one this time? We could do the star or the flower. Which ones do you want?
I want
Only 2. Okay. She always likes the bear and the heart. Those are her favorite.
Yeah, bear and the heart. Where can I put it in?
Well, this part Mommy's going to do because it requires some pouring.
Can I do it too?
I think we already got it all stirred. Mommy just had to do one more quick stir. All right, that's good, babe.
right here. It's hard to pick up. And this is the flour, and I got a squishy thing. But what's this?
It's a mold.
This is a mold.
So I'm going to lay it up on our counter. We've got them in the molds, and it says 15 minutes to harden. So I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, we will check back and see what our soap looks like.
I got really good smells.
Ava is holding up the finished product to the soap, and that is our soap project.
And it smells good.
And she says that it smells good. So we will see you all next time.
Bye.